So my submission to you is, there is no doubt in my mind, people are looking at a changed matrix, sir, which we feel the time has come. And let me end by responding to you. It used to be said that what Bengal thinks today, India will think tomorrow, said not by a Bengali, but by the great Mr. Gokhale. Today I can give you 5 examples, which I will not do just now, showing that what West Bengal has done today, India will do tomorrow. That is what the change is about.
But I hope it's not the chit fund scam. My second speaker today on the national election debate is Ravi Shankar Prasad of the BJP on the subject, if the economy is the issue, the UPA cannot win the election. It should be easy for you. You have only 2 minutes. You don't need to exceed the time limit.
They have got no face to show as far as the economy is concerned. In 2009, his leader publicly said, in 100 days, price rise will be controlled. His leader said, in 100 days, corruption shall be controlled. Today, the time for a departure has come. Inflation, price rise is troubling the people of India. Unemployment is staring on the face of young Indians. Corruption after corruption, Arno, hats off to you. I thought with the topic is very relevant. The people of the country are yearning for a change, and this change is going to only come about under an important party, an all India party, and a leader whose popularity is being repeatedly. It can be the BJP-led NDA and Narendra Modi as the Prime Minister, which the country is yearning for a change. That's how I see it.
Well, I'll just tell you one thing, fact check from my side. Yes, you left at 8.1%, sir, in 2003, 2004, but I find it completely shocking that a person of your eminence...
Correct your fact first. I have got the economic survey of 2004-5 by Mr. Chidambaram, and let me read it. The economy has registered a growth rate of 8.5% in 2003-04,
okay,
the highest ever in 30 years. Check your fact properly, Mr. Goswami.
So, Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad, if you are going to do that selective dissemination of fact, I challenge you right now. Tell me the growth rate in the year before, in 2002, 2003.
Yes, I'm telling you.
4%.
Yes, no, sorry.
What does that prove?
Please, when we came to power in...
Don't selectively put facts, Mr. Prasad.
I'm so happy you're saying that.
Thank you.
When we came to power in 1998, the growth rate of India was 4.8%.
No, so you concede that you gave selective information.
Please, no. I take strong offense to this insinuation. Please check up your facts.
My facts are before me.
I have got all the facts with me, more than you.
I have facts as well.
I
have the facts as well, sir.
With 4.8% growth rate, because of leadership, good governance, giving incentive, other things, we left a robust growth rate of 8.5%. And with that basis, they have brought it to 4.7% because of mismanagement, because of corruption.
There is a fact check and a counter question from your eminent friend Anand Sharma to you, Anand Sharma to Ravi Shankar Prasad.
You see, my advice to Ravi Shankar is that speaking very loudly...
I'm eloquent, not loud.
No, please. Please. Don't worry.
Yes.
Everybody was born with some degree of eloquence.
Yes, you are.
Second thing which I would like to correct you, you were wrong when you were disputing and rather reprimanding Arnab. Let me give you, for the benefit of the audience.
First time the Congress has come in my defense in the last 10 years.
For the now,
Not
friends,
that I need it.
I will give you many interesting numbers today, just not only
That
to
is what only you
debunk.
can give. You cannot give
Please
substance.
allow me. Now, I have asked
You
you a
cannot give
question.
substance.
This is
Let
wrong
him
habit.
complete, sir. Let him complete.
No, let me complete.
Yes.
The GDP growth rate of NDA government, I am giving to you. And Ravi Shankar, I challenge you to question.
Yeah.
98, 99, 6.7%. 99, 2000, 7.6%.
Yeah.
2000, 2001, 4.3%.
Correct.
2001, 2, 5.5%.
Yeah.
And 2003, 4%.
Was I right?
You were right.
Thank you.
Now,
Ravi
second
Shankar
thing.
Prasad.
No, I will have to
No,
interrupt
I am
here.
not.
Just a minute. Just a
Listen,
minute.
I am giving you the numbers. I can share them with
All
you.
right.
And I
Yes.
challenge you to
No,
disprove
all
them.
right.
Okay.
Now, I must reply to
No,
him
do
here
you
itself.
concede?
No,
Do you
but
concede
this-
defeat
I
on
don't-
that point?
no, I don't.
Published government
No, no, please,
data.
please,
It is
he-
available.
Are you saying the Commerce Minister of India is lying
He
with
is
the
wrong.
facts?
Oh,
I'm saying
God.
so.
Are you
I'm
saying
just-
he's
yes.
lying?
No, I'm sorry. I will not use that. He is wrong. And let me tell you.
No, well.
Just, Arnav,
Are you saying the Commerce Minister is making up the facts
My
tonight?
He
God.
is wrong. Let me reply. This is the economic survey of 2004.
Listen, I'm giving you the
Please
6
wait.
years
Please,
numbers.
please wait. Presented
Question, which number?
by Mr.
Don't mislead the people.
Mr. Chidambaram, the Finance Minister of
You have
India. on
fine-tuned the
parliament.
art of telling,
Arnav, can we have a
distorting
civilized
facts,
debate?
uttering half-truths and
Please,
untruths. That's
don't-
what your leader believes.
don't
That's what
shout,
party
please,
believes.
Please don't
And that's
shout.
what you are doing
Wait for your
here.
term.
That's
Arnav,
exactly
Arnav,
what you are
no,
doing.
You are completely wrong. Arnav, I must
I'm
reply
not
here.
wrong.
You are wrong.
You have to teach economics
I
to
repeat, you are
Modi.
wrong. I am showing your Chidambaram's document here.
That's
Please
the
wait.
economic
Listen,
survey
listen.
document,
Yes,
sir.
economic. Please,
That's
please,
the economic
please.
survey is
I
not
have
always
given
the
you
last
6
one.
years.
Please.
I've
Economic
given you
survey.
6 years. He's just
Please, yes,
showing
I-
to
I'll
you.
explain to you.
He's showing to you a
I will
2004
explain
document.
everything.
I have placed before.
Yes.
him
Yours is
6
a
years.
paper. Yours
6
is a
years.
paper. Mine is your document,
listen.
economic survey, before the parliament.
My
Please
documents
wait.
have not
please
come
wait.
from my
Or
pocket,
no, will you
but
kindly
from the
control
government
Mr.
data.
Sharma? If only he wants to speak, then good luck.
No, that's
I've
not the
asked you a
point.
question.
The point is we are doing a fact
Yeah,
check on
fact
UPA
check.
versus
It's a
NDA.
fact check. That's my
Yes,
right.
therefore,
I
all right.
know that you cannot answer.
Yes, I am answering you. Please
No, you
wait.
cannot answer.
You have for the
I know
patience.
You have no
You
numbers.
have for the
You cannot
patience.
contest the numbers.
Yes, I will
6
contest.
years numbers
I
are
will
given.
contest.
Which
Keep
year you
quiet.
want to contest?
Just keep quiet.
Name the year.
Yes.
I won't
yes.
keep quiet.
Yes, you'll have
I
to.
will expose you.
You'll have to. I will expose you. You
can't.
have to.
You
your
can't. You wait
government
for my
deserves to
turn.
be exposed. Your government deserves to be exposed.
Don't worry.
Now, yes. Now the point is.
Those who live in glass houses should think about
the
and
time
worry
for
about
the
themselves.
departure has come. People are
Sir,
waiting
let
for
me-
you
I
to
will
go.
tell you
Yes.
about your scams and your
one second,
two-face.
wait, Mr. Anand Sharma, may I ask you something? Are you doing all this? I appreciate the fact that you
Do I have a right to make my opening
No, you
statement?
do, but don't think that the UPA government, which is synonymous
Arnav,
with,
can I allow
which
me to
is
speak?
the UPA
Arnav,
government,
can I
which is
correct?
1 minute. I just want to
Listen.
say, put it in perspective.
Arnav, this is not
the
fair.
UPA government,
Arnav,
which
he
is
has made allegations against me. Allow me to reply.
I
Just
never
wait.
made any
Please,
allegation
you
against
have just
you.
made.
No.
Please wait.
Have
No,
I made
please
any
wait.
allegation against
Please
Ravi
wait
Shankar
now.
Prasad? Even one?
Yeah, I'm afraid.
Even one
Please
allegation.
not allow me to reply also.
No.
See that.
Let there be a
Yes, no,
fact
all right.
check with the audience.
Please speak.
Have I
Allow
leveled
me to
any
speak.
allegation? I
Allow me
cannot.
to speak. You have just shouted a lot.
That I have left to you.
Gentlemen,
and
I
to your
think
party.
we'll waste time on the debate if we
Arnav,
carry on this
Arnav,
point. So
Arnav.
on this one, I will allow you to make your point.
Just one
But
point.
after that,
Yes.
we have to move on to the next
Surely,
question.
surely.
Yes, one.
My point is
You
very-
made your point. You disagree with him.
I have not made my opening
No,
statement.
I'll come to you for your opening statement.
Yes.
We are still on his.
Arnav,
Ravi Shankar
Arnav,
Prasad, complete your
My
point.
point is very simple. He is showing a sheet of paper. I am showing the economic survey presented before the parliament by Mr. Chidambaram, his eminent finance minister. I never dispute we began with 4.8. What I am only saying, when we demitted offices May 2004, the growth rate of India we left at a robust 8.5%,
Okay,
which
fine.
Mr. Chidambaram is acknowledging on the floor of the House. He has brought it down by his mismanagement to 4.7%.
But you can also
That's all I'm
say.
saying.
No, but did you say that during 2005, 2006,
Yes.
the UPA took it to 9.6%? I'm
Yes,
not batting for them,
They
but
had
you
a
know,
base. They had a, I agree with you.
what was the base?
The base was 8.5%.
But they took it to 9.7%.
Yes, they enjoyed and
Do you
then
credit
squandered
them
away.
for that?
It's squandered away because of corruption, because of inflation, because
Right.
of mismanagement. because of
Second
policy
question to
process.
Ravi Shankar Prasad from Amit Mitra, please. Now the debate is getting interesting. And I can
It
assure
has
you,
to be with Anand Sharma there.
it
has to be
hasn't,
there.
we haven't yet, yes, with Anand Sharma there, who's giving you a run for your money, and I'm sure you will give him a run for his. Amit Mitra, second
And both
question on the
collectively-
national election debate on the economy is Ravi Shankar Prasad. Yes, Dr. Mitra.
I think
Make
very
it brief.
important for me to ask Mr. Prasad, can he deny that there were riots-prone areas during his regime?
Are we
That
talking
the-
about riots or the
that
economy? Are you shifting?
I'm saying
shifting gear?
I'm shifting gear because riots then impact the economy.
No, no, but you can't. This is a debate on the economy. We had
That's
a
fine.
debate.
That's fine.
Yeah.
My submission is, has there been job-creating growth that the numbers that Mr. Prasad quoted? The truth is that this is jobless growth. We are looking at a nation on behalf of a leader like Mamata Banerjee with integrity, credibility, that it will be inclusive in the real sense. Small and medium enterprises, sir. The bank lending this year in West Bengal has been
So are you here to
105%.
praise the West Bengal government in every statement of yours? Will you ask a question to
I'm
the
only
BJP?
giving statistic, no praise.
No, but you are. This is the national
I am
election
bringing
debate,
in-
sir. You are making it an advertisement for the
I
Bengal
think
government. I protest.
I would like to suggest
Sir,
that
this is not an advertisement
I
for the
think
Mamata Banerjee
anchor-
government.
I'm not debating the anchor. Okay?
So please ask your question, sir.
My question is very simple. One is jobless growth, which I can substantiate. You kindly explained during this period. Also, you explained how the tectonics of that process of inclusion of the common people.
Yes.
For example, small and medium enterprises. They are the biggest job producers. What happened to them? What about the unorganized sector? What about the agricultural sector?
But you were part of the Vajpayee government.
Well, I'm not just talking about
No, but
Vajpayee
Trinamool
government.
Congress was part of the. Why don't you answer the
I'm
question?
asking Mr. Prasad that kind of growth, whatever the debate between my
but-
two very honored friends, has to be job creating. A new model of economy
No,
has
that's
to be
okay,
built.
sir. But what's your question to
My
him?
question to him is that new model in the change that people are seeking was not there.
Sir, again, you're going back to
I'm
Mamata
saying the
Banerjee.
new model of economic, political economy.
Okay,
was
we let.
not there.
Okay, take a question.
Will you
Answer,
that?
answer, please.
I
Answer.
will very
I'm
shortly
coming to you.
reply. Dr. Mitra, you are a very great economist and a good friend. You may recall in the Vajpayee government, we had promised more than 1 crore jobs, and the National Sample Survey also confirmed that. It is a matter of record. We have given that. As far as job creation is concerned, our record is much outstanding. Their job creation record is much dismal. The National Sample Survey said 4 lakh per year for the last 4-5 years, much down. The Planning Commission is into that. I see your point. There is a need for improvement. And ultimately, the biggest casualty of Indian economic growth has been because of bad governance. Indian economy is in shambles today. That forget foreigners, even Indians are not trusting the Indian economy as far as investment is concerned. Scams, policy paralysis, lack of decision making, lack of clarity, all, and the hostile discrimination with the state government, including your state government. That is the record of this government. Therefore, the people are really yearning for a change. That's how I see it. And if good governance is there, delivery can be there. You claim you have improved the tax structure. I wish the eminent Finance Minister of India would learn a little from you, which he hasn't.
The states also play a role
You
in
have not come
inflation.
here to have a lecture on the economy of
No.
the country. On your
It's
bad
the debate on
governance, you have
economy.
come here.
It's not
When
bad.
You have malgoverned
It's your
India.
disinformation,
Yes.
wrong facts, distortion, half-truths, untruths.
Very good. Very
Why
good.
Gujarat
Good,
and
good,
Bengal?
good, good.
Why Gujarat and
No,
Bengal
can I
have
come
not
here?
abolished the
Can I-
Mandi Act?